To make sure your waders fit perfectly, we need your measurements. So to help, here's a step-by-step guide.
The easy way to take your height measurement. Take your shoes off, stand against the door frame, put your back against the wall and look straight forward. Take a pencil, place it on the top of the head and make a mark on the door frame. Move away from the door, take your tape measure and measure from the floor to the mark. The chest measurements. Lift your arms up, take the tape measure under the armpits and all the way round. While you're there, slide the tape measure down to the belly to get the widest part of your belly. We're now going to measure the widest part of your hips and bottom. So you take the tape measure all the way round your hips and your bottom and measure the widest part. We're now going to take the inside leg measure. Take the tape measure, place it snugly into your groin. On the same side, take the tape measure down your leg and measure to the ankle bone only. We're now going to take the outside leg measurements. Take the tape measure, place it snugly under the armpit, take the tape measure down the body, down the leg, and measure it from the ankle bone only. We're now going to take the thigh measurements. The thigh measurements is taken by placing the tape measure round the thigh and measuring it to the widest part of the thigh. Calf measurements. The calf measurements is taken by taking the tape measure round the calf and measure the widest point of the calf. The loop measurements is taken from the V or trachea in the neck, just like to hold on to there, down the body, through the legs, up the back, and to the large bone at the back of the neck. Okay, Neil, that's your measurements complete. All we need now is your boot size and the type of boot that you require.
Size 9, boot Malcolm, and I've selected the Argyle.